Pile driver.
Pile driver excavator is a specialized machine used for driving piles into the ground during construction projects. It combines the functions of a typical excavator with a hydraulic pile driving attachment, typically a heavy hammer or vibratory driver. This attachment delivers powerful impacts to drive piles into the soil efficiently. Pile driver excavators are essential in constructing foundations for buildings, bridges, and other structures, as well as for installing retaining walls and sheet piles. They're versatile and efficient, making them indispensable in construction tasks requiring pile driving capabilities.